Hello everyone, this is MOUSUMI and you are watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel. So first of all, I have taken this plastic bottles cut out, and you can easily see that this is a parachute coconut oils bottle. As it has very smooth surface, so I have used tissue paper with some glue. Then I have applied gesso as a base and have used this Fabrica acrylic colors. As I wanted to make some beautiful thing, so I didn't take that chance to apply the colors directly, so I have made a pencil sketch first. I am using here very bright colors as red, yellow, orange, green, like this. On the first bottle I have made these two peacocks, and on the second bottle I have painted two owls. And after filling all the colors, these are looking like this. And now it's time to make some detailing. And these are looking like this after finishing all the border works. One thing I need to say that as I have made owls, so I need to make the background black or grey, this kind of color. So I have used this color in the background. And now it's time for some more detailing. Use it as a planter or pen holder. And this is how I have completed my two bottle paintings. So let's check out its final look. And this is it. So this is all for today. I hope you all have liked it. If you have liked it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.